Hi, this is the recipe we're going to make today. Cucumber salad. It's a Tupperware rice recipe, so you know it's been tried true and a good recipe. It uses the mandolin, and the mandolin is a lot of fun to use. Some people have mandolins that are not safe to use, but our mandolin is designed to be safe for everybody. So if you notice the guide, it has a ledge all the way around it. So to cut your fingers, you have to intentionally, and it's hard to do, lift your fingers over and stick it down, and then you could get cut by the mandolin. So leave your fingers here, put your item here to slice it. So it's a safe one to use. It comes with, of course, the mandolin, and then it comes with underneath there's one you can make wavy items, wavy potatoes, and stuff like that. You can look at a whole demo on just the mandolin, but we're gonna make a salad today. Um, yeah, so we'll put that on the side. We make a salad. It comes with the how you cut it too, how you can make different things. But ours is gonna be really easy, really simple. I hope. I hope it's gonna be simple. Supposed to be simple. To put up a plate under it. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut the cucumbers, and it calls for two cucumbers. I love cucumbers. Two cucumbers cut in half. You don't peel them though. The green is good for you, and it's good for the demo. So we'll use the cucumber. And for the setting on here, this is the triangle one. You leave it locked because this is makes the spikes come up and slice it while you're cutting it. So then you just move this one and you move it to 3, and the 3 is between the 4 and the 2. Simple, simple. So you put this down and you use the guide. It has little spikes, so you just stab it. You stab it with it, and then you cut it like that. It's pretty fast, pretty easy. And you push down and it keeps going until you're done the whole cucumber. And then you don't have to put the end in. My assistant cleans up after me. Then you throw it inside the bowl. I feel like, and then you keep doing that until you get all of them sliced. But see, the only way you could slice your fingers is if you try to go outside. It's really safe to use. I've heard horror stories, and they have this whole thing on YouTube about the guy sliced his fingers doing some cucumber challenge. Never figured out what the cucumber challenge was, but definitely clean up after. I like cucumbers, so it's gonna have a lot of cucumbers in it. You'll notice that when I do recipes, if I don't like something, you don't get as much in it because that's not good. Some I'll put in just for the taste. So I have to concentrate. I have to concentrate. If I'm not doing it evenly, it's not the mandolin's fault. It's user error, and I find out a lot of things in my life is user error. So, luckily, this is my Tupperware demo room. Everybody stays out of here. Nobody bothers it. But there's no Tupperware, no non-Tupperware items allowed in this room, and everybody knows that. So I don't know, like this is so easy to use. My daughter uses it for pickled apples and for pickled apples. I'm sure it'll get cleaned up nicely after. And these bowls are clearly elegant bowls are awesome because hey, so we've done the cucumbers. Wasn't that fast? That was super easy instead of hand slicing it. And then you move this to 1, and 1 is between the 0 and the 2. And it shows it over here is how thin it is, how thick it is. Well, this is quote the red onion. It doesn't look red to me. It looks purple. But yeah, we'll do that. We'll do the red onion. Okay. I don't like onions, but the recipe calls for it, and you slice it really thin. So I'm sure it gives it a good taste. The problem is I don't like onions. So I'm looking at this going, that is like way more than enough onions for a cucumber salad. If you're doing an onion salad, you can add more onions. If you're doing cucumber. So we're not doing the whole onion. Onions are cheap too, though. Okay, and after that, it calls for grape tomatoes. I think this is a pint. Oh, it is a dry pint. That's what they sell at the store, so I got that. And so you dump this in. You dump in. And then you dump it, and then you put in some balsamic, 1 cup of balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Doesn't that look refreshing? Nice, good, and refreshing. We'll clean that up after, I promise. And I don't think I'm a fan of feta cheese, but it looks good. Well, my hands have balsamic vinaigrette dressing. So we'll put some cheese in here. Which I'm sure that's more than enough. I'm sure that's more than enough. And then you toss it gently. I don't think I ever do anything gently, but we'll try. Does that not look great? I think it looks awesome. And you mix it so the onions and cucumbers are all mixed nicely. You don't want all the cucumbers on the top or all the onions on the top. I wonder if I could make it like the picture. See, I'm glad I didn't put more onions because that would have been like way, way too much onions, in my opinion. And since I'm the one doing it, it might count more. Okay, let's see if we can make this look good. I want to try some. It looks really good. It looks tasty, refreshing. Here's some tomatoes, here's some cheese. Doesn't that look great? Guess what I'm gonna have? I'm gonna have some, not the onion. I'm gonna have some for lunch. That's good because the onions, you don't have to eat the onions if you don't like them. But okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Okay, thank you. Bye.